Thanks for checking out this Wiki Reads. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell your friends about us. Today's Wiki Read: Common Misconceptions. From Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia.
This is a list of common misconceptions. Each entry is worded as a correction. The misconceptions themselves are implied rather than stated. These entries are concise summaries of the main subject articles, which can be consulted for more detail. A common misconception is a viewpoint or factoid that is often accepted as true in current times. They often arise from conventional wisdom, such as old wives' tales, stereotypes, a misunderstanding of science, or popularization of pseudoscience. Some common misconceptions are also considered to be urban legends, and they are often involved in moral panics.
Arts and culture. Food and cooking.
Searing does not seal moisture in meat. In fact, it causes it to lose some moisture. Meat is seared to brown it, improving its color and flavor.
Twinkies have a shelf life of approximately 45 days, far shorter than the common myth that Twinkies are edible for decades or longer. They generally remain on a store shelf for only 7 to 10 days.
There are no known cases of children having been killed or seriously injured by poisoned candy or fruit given to them by strangers at Halloween or any other time, though there are cases where people have poisoned their own children. Most food in the US is edible after its expiration date, with the exception of some perishables. Seeds are not the spicy part of chili peppers. In fact, seeds contain a low amount of capsaicin, the component which induces the hot sensation in mammals. The highest concentration of capsaicin is located in the placental tissue, the pith, to which the seeds are attached. Turkey meat is not particularly high in tryptophan, and does not cause more drowsiness than other foods. Rice does not cause birds to die by inflating their stomachs until they burst. Birds do eat wild rice, though some species avoid it. This common misconception has often led to weddings using millet, confetti, or other materials to shower the newlyweds as they leave the ceremony, instead of traditionally throwing rice. Spinach does not have a particularly high iron content. The alleged origin of the misconception, that it was caused by a decimal point error, is also false, and the creator of Popeye, Elzie Chrysler Cigar, never claimed that the source of Popeye's strength was the iron in the spinach but its vitamin A.
Today's Wiki Reads is brought to you by Audible. Follow the link in the description to get your first 30 days on us. With your subscription, you'll get Audible Originals. This includes documentaries, theater, and sleep programs, all made to be heard. You'll also get audiobooks including fan favorites, full series, and popular genres like mysteries, thrillers, and motivation. Lastly, you'll have access to podcasts, including ad-free, popular shows, and original, exclusive series. Audible Plus. Listen all you want. Link in the description. Thanks for checking out this Wiki Reads. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see the next part in this series.